And it is the big breaking story here on 5 Live. The Narcotics Control Bureau has officially summoned Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and also Rakul Preet Singh and Simone Khambata. 4 actors, 1 designer have been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau and they have to be present before the Narcotics Control Bureau for questioning within the next 3 days. India Today breaks the big story of the day. I want to go across to Divyesh Singh getting us the latest on this breaking story. Divyesh, in 3 days, these 3 actors, in addition to Rakul Preet and Simone Khambata, have to present themselves. Is there any additional detail that has emerged in the last few minutes?
Shiv, tomorrow Rakul Preet Singh has been summoned. Shruti Modi has to appear and Simone Khambata, who's the interior designer whose name had appeared in one of the chats, she has to appear. So these 3 people have been asked to join investigations tomorrow. After that, there's Deepika Padukone, which sources are claiming, we are yet to get official confirmation on that she has been asked to join investigation on 25th. And within the next 3 days, day after tomorrow and after that, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan have also been asked to join investigation. All the actresses have been asked to be present at different time slots and their statements would be recorded, and only once their statements are recorded, after that further course of action could be decided by the anti-narcotics agency that is probing this case. Also, we are being told once these actresses and the people who have been summoned record their statements, they could be called again so that they could be confronted with people like Jaya Saha, Karishma Anand, who's also an employee of Quan Talent Management, talent manager of Deepika Padukone. She could not appear earlier. She had sought time till 25th of September from the Narcotics Control Bureau. She will also be asked to join, and once their statements are recorded, the second phase would be confrontation with these people with whom they've chatted, with whom they've communicated regarding procurement of banned narcotic drugs, or regarding demanding these banned narcotic drugs, which could be weed, which could be charas, hashish and various others.
Okay, so important piece of breaking news. Rakul Preet Singh, the actor, and designer Simone Khambata have been summoned to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau tomorrow, and the others, sources tell us, have been asked to basically appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau on Friday. This is not confirmed just yet. The second part of it is not confirmed just yet. The summons has gone out. The precise day that they have to appear is still in the realm of speculation, but we can confirm to you that Rakul Preet and Simone Khambata have been asked to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau tomorrow itself in Mumbai. So that's the breaking story. Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, Rakul Preet Singh and Simone Khambata all have to appear this week before the Narcotics Control Bureau. Divyesh still continues to be with us. Divyesh, so Simone Khambata and Rakul Preet Singh have to appear tomorrow, and Deepika and the others will have to appear 25th, Friday. That's the breaking story. We can confirm to you once again. India Today breaks it first, confirms to you first. Deepika Padukone has to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau on the 25th of September. That is this Friday. 2 days from now, Deepika Padukone. So Thursday, it's going to be, Wednesday, it's going to be Simone Khambata and Rakul Preet Singh, and Friday, it's going to be Deepika Padukone. We'll confirm to you the dates for the others. Deepika Padukone has been summoned to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau on September 25th. That's Friday. Divyesh, so what you told us, your sources were telling you, is now confirmed, Divyesh. Friday, Deepika Padukone in front of the Narcos.
Yes, Shiv. Deepika Padukone has been asked to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau on 25th of June. She will be questioned. What our sources tell us, that she will be quizzed regarding the chats that have appeared, the 2017 chat that she had with Karishma Anand. Karishma Anand, remember, is an employee of Quan Talent Management, and Deepika can be seen in this communication speaking to Karishma Anand, asking her regarding particular banned narcotic drug. She wanted to procure a banned narcotic drug, and Karishma assures her that she will be sending it through another person, and it will be delivered at her doorstep. So that is what the chat is about, and that raises a lot of questions regarding consumption of banned narcotic drugs, regarding procurement of banned narcotic drugs, and this nexus that had been going on where a talent management company employee is helping an actor, a talent that has been registered with their company, procure or consume banned narcotic drugs. A talent management company usually adheres to getting films or endorsements for talents registered with their company, but here they are helping them procure drugs, banned narcotic drugs, and that is why NCB has now stepped in and are now investigating each and every person involved. And Deepika Padukone's name has emerged. She has been sent summons, so now this is official that Deepika Padukone has been asked to join investigation. She will be questioned. She will be grilled by NCB officials. The special investigation team formed under Deputy Director KPS Malhotra, they will be questioning Deepika Padukone at the NCB guest house near Gateway of India in Mumbai, and she'll be quizzed regarding other details as well, whether she had been consuming drugs, how long has she been consuming drugs, was she procuring drugs to any other person than Karishma Anand, how many times did she consume drugs, how many times did she procure drugs with the help of Karishma Anand. So both the people, Deepika Padukone and Karishma Tanna, are under the scanner of NCB and are right now under probe by the Anti-Narcotics Agency, which is probing this particular case, which started with Riya Chakrabarty's chats, and now it's with a lot of names that have appeared in various chat messages and testimonies of various people questioned by the NCB while probing the case related to Riya
Ashok
Chakrabarty,
Singhal, who is our colleague, who is in Goa right now, said a very interesting thing. He's on the ground, so he's been, getting information from the ground where Deepika is in Goa right now, and he says that once Deepika is questioned, many more names are likely to come out. Is that the sense you are getting from Mumbai as well?
Shiv, right now, Deepika is yet to be questioned. So only after Deepika is questioned, we could know, or the Narcotics and Narcotics Control Bureau officials could know how many people were involved. As of now, it remains a chat message that was between Karishma Anand and Deepika Padukone, and on basis of this, she is being probed. She has been asked to join investigation. It could be that many more names could appear, as I pointed out, that she'll be quizzed on how many times, how regularly was she consuming drugs, who all were the people other than Karishma Anand who had been providing drugs to her, who all were the people who had been helping her procure these drugs, who were the people who were consuming drugs along with her. Were they her friends, were it her colleagues, or whoever it was? All those details will be sought by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So now it is a huge probe that is being taken by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and they are going to question about each and every detail of this particular case, each and every detail of the persons involved, of the people involved, of people who've been peddling, of people who've been helping in procurement, people who've been facilitating use of this, abuse of this banned narcotic drug, and also those consuming it. So each and every person is under scanner. Each and every person associated
Divesh, stay with me. I want to just recap for our viewers the breaking story that we've had so far. Summons have gone out to 5 persons. Deepika Padukone has to show up and present herself before the Narcotics Control Bureau on 25th, that's Friday. Tomorrow, which is Wednesday, Rakul Preet Singh and Simone Khambata have to present themselves before the Narcotics Control Bureau. And for the other piece of breaking news now, I'm handing it over to India Today's Ankit Tyagi.
The continuous coverage here on India Today, breaking here first. In fact, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor have been asked by the NCB to appear before them on 26th. So 3 action-packed days. On 24th, it is going to be Simone Khambata and Rakul Preet, followed by Deepika Padukone on 25th. And on 26th of September is Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor, both who have been in fact named as far as Riya Chakrabarty is concerned, and also in the chats with Jaya Saha. So 3 action-packed days lined up in Mumbai as we speak. And for the A-listers, finally the summons have been sent to the A-listers of Bollywood. Deepika Padukone will be appearing on 25th, and coincidentally, that is also the day when the farmers' protest is, of course, going to take place all across the country. Going across to my colleague Munish Pandey, who is joining us with more details. Munish, the big question that for the last few days people have been asking, when will the A-listers be, in fact, summoned by the NCB? Now, the list is there, but very interestingly, Deepika Padukone, whose name came after a chat with Karishma, she's been questioned before Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor. So will they first question Karishma before, in fact, they can get some questions to Deepika Padukone?
Yeah, well, Ankit, this is a strategy of Narcotics Control Bureau. And why this strategy? Because remember, in this case, Shruti Modi is also important. So what NCB is planning, that first they will question Shruti Modi and then they will start questioning Shraddha and Sara. Now, as far as Deepika Padukone is concerned, before Deepika Padukone, the NCB wants to question Karishma because Deepika Padukone was indeed chatting with Karishma. According to the Narcotics Control Bureau, there is already retrieved WhatsApp chats of Deepika Padukone and Karishma, who is an employee of Con Talent Management Company. And now this 2017 chat is going to haunt not only Deepika Padukone but also many A-listers of Bollywood, because as far as my knowledge is concerned, many A-listers of Bollywood are, they are spending sleepless night because they fear that somehow their name might also emerge during the questioning of peddlers and also with employees of Con International Talent Management Company. So what NCB is planning is that first they will question Karishma about these chats. If she gives any information about whether she actually provided the drugs to Deepika Padukone or not, then again that will be an evidence for the Narcotics Control Bureau, and then Deepika Padukone will be questioned. She will be confronted not only with the statement of Karishma but also with Karishma if needed. So NCB is going in one direction. They want to question everyone who is consuming drugs. As of now, they are only going by the electronic evidence, which are in form of retrieved WhatsApp chats. But as far as the other evidence are concerned, that is going to be very crucial because the case has to go in trial also. And then the Narcotics Control Bureau has to prove that they have more evidence apart from these electronic WhatsApp chats. Ankit.
All right, stay on with me, in fact, Munish. Let's also, my colleagues, in fact, Devesh is also joining us. We're also being joined by Asutosh Mishra. Before I go to them, let's listen in to what the Narcotics Control Bureau officer, Mr. Jain, in fact, told the media just a short while back. This big breaking news now coming in. Deepika Padukone will be questioned on 25th of September. Tomorrow it will be Rakul Preet Singh and, in fact, Simone Kambata. And then on 26th, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor is going to be questioned. So first, let's listen in to what the NCB in fact told the reporters.
As part of the investigation, we have issued summons to some people. Beyond that, I will not be able to share anything.
Sir, किस तरीके से सर अगले 3 दिन में उनको पेश होना है?
I cannot disclose names.
Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan.
Sorry, ma'am. I can't disclose.
Has there been people summoned by the...
They have been, I told you, as a part of the investigation, people have been summoned to join the investigation. That's it.
सर कितने दिन में उनको
In
इन्वेस्टिगेशन
the next few days, on different dates we will call. No names, please. No. There was a search at their place today, and their statement is being taken, and it's a continuing process.
Okay.